Afrobeats isn't just dominating charts anymore, it's owning the culture, the style, the streets, and Gen Z. They're not watching it happen, they're the ones making it happen. Across TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Spotify playlists, Afrobeats has become the unofficial soundtrack of Gen Z. Whether it's Ayra Starr's bold hooks, Rema's futuristic flair, or Odumodublvck's raw energy, this generation isn't just vibing, they're fueling the wave. Scroll through social media and you'll see it. Viral dance challenges. Street-style edits. Clips soundtracked by Afrobeats beats that blend attitude with emotion. It's more than music, it's an identity. Let's talk about the faces of the future, the artists setting the tone for a new Afrobeats era. Ayra Starr, at just 22, she's a powerhouse. With hits like Rush and Bad Vibes, her voice drips with confidence. Her look? Fearless. Her energy? Unapologetic. She speaks to Gen Z's desire to be bold, free, and expressive. Rema. He took Afrobeats global with Calm Down, but don't box him in. His sound is dark, melodic, and experimental, a blend of Afrobeats, trap, and emo. Gen Z loves artists who aren't afraid to be different, and Rema lives in that lane. Odumodublvck, with street-smart lyrics and that unmistakable drill energy, he speaks to the raw, unfiltered voice of the youth. His breakout hit Declan Rice wasn't just a song, it was a statement. And his latest banger, 100 Million? It's pure fire. Tyla, from Johannesburg to the world. Her smash hit Water blended sensual pop with amapiano roots. Gen Z connects with her effortless cool, her visuals, her vibe. She's more than an artist, she's a mood. Why is this generation so obsessed with Afrobeats? It's the message: independence, self-love, resistance, joy. It's the aesthetic: bold visuals, Afrocentric beauty, and global fashion blends. It's the language: lyrics in Pidgin, Yoruba, Patois, sometimes English, Creole, raw, and relatable. These artists don't follow Western trends, they're setting new ones. They collaborate with Gen Z icons, from Selena Gomez to Travis Scott to Thames, creating a genre that's borderless and futuristic. The sound is shifting, fast. Afrobeats isn't just Afrobeats anymore. It's Afrofusion. Afrotrap. Afro R&B amapiano blends. Even Latin Afro collabs. Producers like P. Prime, SARS, and London are designing beats that hit different, moody, layered, and global. Gen Z listeners crave uniqueness. They're not looking for hits. They want moments. They want the kind of sound that gets sampled in Paris, danced to in Accra, and looped on reels in Los Angeles. And in 2025, that's exactly what Afrobeats is delivering. This generation isn't following the wave, they are the wave. Afrobeats is the soundtrack of Gen Z, fearless, genreless, and unapologetically African. So if you're ready to stay ahead of the curve, hit subscribe. Because from Ayra to Odumodublvck, this is the sound of the future, and